Hello and welcome, grade 10. Today we are going to do linear graphs, or sometimes it is called straight line functions. For today, we are going to learn how to do a table method, and on our next video, we are going to learn how to do intercept method. For focusing on the table method, first we need to know how to define our graph and generate a table of values for linear functions, and then plot graphs of linear functions. So moving on, first we need to know that our function is defined by y it is equals to mx plus c, where y it is our y-axis, m it is our gradient, x represent the x-axis, and c it is our y-intercept, or sometimes it is called an constant. Some people or some of the books they say it is the height, vertical height of the graph. So depending on the books that we use, but for now, we're going to understand that it is y-intercept. Um, for an example, when we are given y, it is equals to 2x plus c, we are going to use our calculator. So in our calculator, we are going to input. We are going to input and put it as 2 open bracket and then put a number that is an input, and then you press +1 and it will give you our output. So it is going to be like this. First you put your x's first on x, you say 2 and then you open bracket, and then you press 0 for x, and then you close bracket, and then you press 1 +1, and you say answer. So it's going to give you your y coordinates. So we are going to have 0 is to 1. Even on 1 and 2 and 3, we are going to do the similar things. Even on 4, we are going to say 2 open bracket 4 close bracket +1 on our calculator. Then you're going to have an output of 9. So that is what is going to happen. So moving on, our graph is going to be like this. We are going to plot the graph on our graph paper, plot the coordinates on our graph paper. Then on our graph paper there, that's the figure of our graph. It's going to just look like that. So please pause the video and try to fill out this missing coordinates of y, or missing outputs. Is you're gonna start by putting in x and then find out the y coordinates. Okay, finally, I hope you didn't cheat and you managed to pause and try to fill out. So those should be the solutions. If your solutions are quite different, please try to send me the message or send me an email. Try to find out so that we can find out what is happening. And now this is this is our practice question. A complete table. Then after completing the table, you're going to need to draw. So this is going to be our figure. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to come forward. So this was only the session for the table method. Our next session is going to be on intercept method. I can't wait to see you there, guys.